Hello, today I will show you how to edit a PDF file in a browser without installing any programs. Open the address opentf.com in the internet browser. Next, click on the edit link. Next you can select the PDF file you want to edit. You can specify the file by pressing the Select PDF File button. The selected file is uploaded. Now there is an option to edit the PDF file. You can add text, edit existing text, add images and make many other edits. I will correct the text in the existing document. Once the corrections have been made to the PDF file, you can download the document. The document can be downloaded by pressing the download button.